Hello, and welcome to the Great Garden channel. Are you struggling to figure out how to revive your wilted plants with yellowing leaves and bring them back to life? Don't worry, just watch this video till the end. In today's video, I'll share with you an extremely simple organic formula made from familiar kitchen ingredients that anyone can easily make at home. I've personally used this method for a long time, and it has helped my orchids grow strong white roots, glossy vibrant leaves, and stunning blooms. At the same time, all the other plants in my garden have become lush, green, and full of life. If you love natural methods and want to care for your plants in the most gentle, sustainable, and wholesome way, leave a comment saying, "I want to try." Let's get started. First, I will remove the yellowed and withered leaves to help the plant focus its nutrients on nourishing the roots, new shoots, and healthy leaves. This also helps prevent the spread of fungal diseases and creates a well-ventilated environment for the plant to grow better. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Do you have any bananas at home? The first ingredient I'll be using is 1 banana. Bananas are rich in potassium, vitamins, and natural minerals that help stimulate root growth, strengthen the plant's resistance, and support healthy leaf and flower development. Next, cut the banana into small pieces so that when soaked, the nutrients can be easily released and dissolved into the solution, allowing the plant to absorb them more effectively. Next, put all the chopped banana pieces into a jar. Do you have any aloe vera in your garden? Aloe vera isn't just great for skincare. It's also an excellent natural source of nutrients for orchids. First, I will cut 2 aloe vera leaves. Next, slice the aloe vera into small pieces. Aloe vera is rich in vitamins, minerals, and natural polysaccharides that help stimulate strong root growth and nourish glossy green leaves. Cutting it into smaller pieces increases the surface area, allowing nutrients and bioactive compounds to infuse more quickly into the solution. Then, add all the chopped aloe vera pieces together with the banana. Next, add 400 milliliters of warm water to the banana and aloe vera mixture. Then, add 100 milliliters of beer. Beer contains various B vitamins and minerals that provide essential nutrients for the growth of orchids. Finally, close the lid and let the mixture ferment for about 3 weeks to create a natural garbage enzyme made from banana and aloe vera. After 3 weeks, the mixture will have fermented like this. Take 30 milliliters of the GE fertilizer, then add 1 liter of clean water to dilute the solution. That's it. Your organic fertilizer is now ready to use. Let's apply it to your orchids. As a basic orchid care principle that I always follow, before applying any fertilizer, you should lightly water the orchid first. This is not just a formality. It's an important technical step that helps wake up the roots and prepare them to absorb nutrients more effectively. When the potting medium is moistened with clean water, it becomes evenly damp while also washing away accumulated salts, dust, or impurities around the roots. This creates a clean, well-ventilated environment that allows the roots to breathe and exchange nutrients more efficiently. The light layer of moisture also activates the tender root tips, helping them expand and improve the transportation of water and nutrients. When the organic fertilizer solution is applied afterward, the nutrients are absorbed faster and distributed more evenly, allowing the plant to take in everything it needs without fertilizer shock or root burn. After rinsing, let the plant rest for a while so it can stabilize its moisture level and begin the nutrient exchange process smoothly. Method 1. First, pour the prepared solution into a small cup. Then, use a soft cloth or cotton pad to gently soak up the solution and carefully wipe each side of the orchid leaves. When wiping, dirt and residue are removed, allowing the leaves to absorb light more effectively, improving photosynthesis efficiency, and reducing the risk of bacteria, mold, or pests. This keeps the leaves clean, glossy, and healthy. Moreover, the GE fertilizer made from banana and aloe vera provides a rich natural nutrient source. Bananas are high in potassium and enzymes, while aloe vera contains plenty of vitamins and polysaccharides. The GE itself adds essential trace elements and minerals. Wiping both sides of the leaves with this banana aloe solution also stimulates metabolism, allowing nutrients to deeply penetrate the leaf cells, nourish new shoots, and support stronger root activity. It's recommended to do this once or twice a week to keep the leaves clean and ensure optimal nutrient absorption without causing rot or damage. Method 2. Root watering. I'll now pour the GE solution into a watering can. Then, start watering around the base of the orchid. This method not only provides a rich natural source of nutrients from the banana and aloe vera GE solution, but also creates a natural protective layer against fungi, bacteria, and pathogens, helping the plant grow healthily from roots to leaves. The banana and aloe vera GE water supplies vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and natural polysaccharides that strengthen root growth, keep the leaves lush, shiny, and thick, while also nourishing young shoots and stimulating even flower bud development. It's recommended to apply this watering method once a week during the recovery phase, then reduce it to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain steady nutrition. When watering, do it evenly and gently to avoid excessive water accumulation. This helps the roots absorb nutrients efficiently, keeps the potting medium well aerated, and minimizes fungal issues. Here's a small but extremely important tip for you: maintaining stable humidity in your orchid's growing environment. To do this, you can use a plastic or glass dish like this one. Place it at the bottom of the pot, then pour a small amount of clean water inside. The purpose is to let the water slowly evaporate, creating a gentle layer of humidity around the plant's base. Thanks to this fine mist of moisture, the area around the roots stays naturally humid without becoming waterlogged. This helps young roots sprout more easily, anchor firmly to the growing medium, and absorb nutrients more effectively. It's a simple yet highly effective way to stimulate your orchid's growth. And Method 3, misting spray. Pour the solution into a spray bottle and mist it evenly over the entire plant, including the leaves, stems, roots, and the areas between the leaves. Spraying the GE solution made from banana and aloe vera allows the nutrients to spread evenly across the plant's surface, providing vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds. This forms a protective layer that helps defend the plant against pests and harmful microorganisms. Be sure to spray both the upper and underside of the leaves so the nutrients can penetrate deeply, enhancing protection and overall nourishment. This method can be applied once a week during the first month, then maintained once a month afterward to ensure long-lasting results. After spraying, let the plant rest for about 15 minutes to fully absorb the nutrients. If there's still water remaining on the leaves, use a soft cloth to gently wipe them dry to prevent creating a favorable environment for fungi and bacteria. Keeping the leaves dry helps the plant photosynthesize more efficiently, strengthens root activity, and maintains vigorous growth, or preparing it well for new shoots and flower buds to develop. Results after 2 months. The orchid leaves have turned deep green, glossy, and thick, with new leaves growing full of vitality. They photosynthesize efficiently, nourishing the entire plant and its young shoots. The root system has developed strongly, producing many new, plump, white roots that cling firmly to the growing medium, improving water and nutrient absorption, making the whole plant healthier. Flower spikes and buds have grown evenly and sturdily, ready to bloom into vibrant blossoms. The flower buds are abundant, large, brightly colored, and long-lasting. The blooms open one after another, creating a lively, radiant orchid pot that remains beautiful for weeks. This is a well-deserved reward for your patience and care. When nurtured the right way, orchids respond with vitality and naturally stunning flowers. Enjoy every moment of caring for your orchids. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any new orchid care tips. Goodbye, and see you in the next video on the Great Garden channel.